So guys, I'm trying to see if I like this or not. It's a bomber jacket, and it's got texture, and it's got pockets here, and it's got a little elastic in the back, and I'm trying to see if I like this jacket. It's kind of soft, but yeah, I don't know. It is still snug on my arms. It's an extra large, so I may need to just continue to work, and then I'll probably be more comfortable in it. So while I can get it on, it doesn't fit as good because it's tight, and my sleeves are long sleeves that I have on this shirt, but I want to be able to wear any size or any length of sleeves under my jackets. So yeah, my other Zara jackets, they fit fine with other tops, but yeah, I don't know. So guys, we're here at Bloomingdale's in the mall, and we're getting our extra steps in. It is Monday, so you know we're back on in the gym and eating salads and all of that. So we're here at Bloomingdale's, and I have on my black jacket by All in Motion, and then I have on these leggings from All in Motion. So these leggings, they hold your tummy in really well, and I love like the little band here, the detail. Well, you can't really see that, but like, so you can see it now, a little band here. I like that. It's cute. I just like little details like that. And then oh yeah, and these are ribbed. You can see they're ribbed. Those are really nice, and they feel really good. I love my look, even though it's a basic like workout set. Well, this is black. It's not a set. This is black and this is blue. I like those two colors together. But yeah, looks really good. What is this on the bed that makes it raised?
Yeah, I want like that nice raised fluffy look.
Yeah.
Oh wait,
Something on the bed.
that's really hard and like stiff. Like, nah, bruh.
I don't like that some the brands have gone back to putting the tongue that moves. Like, I like the one that stays put. Oh, that's cute. I like the color.
Yeah, that is a cute color. But I want white.
I think these though, I need
and not those up there behind you.
those.
Yeah, those are not
You
cute.
want like ivory.
I want and those look like some shoes that somebody would wear to hospital. Y'all. So I have the Lana back in my hands. I'm not sure. I don't know. I just saw this sitting up here on the display, and baby, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. This might be the one. I don't know, but I don't want to make any like rash decisions either. You know. I want this one, but this doesn't look like an everyday bag like the Marc Jacobs one. You think so? You think a lot about this bag, and it's not positive either.
It's an everyday bag.
Yo, this is cute. Oh no, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm thinking hard about it. I really am. You want to try it on? Y'all, Kim want to try it on. Talking about, let me see if it looks good on me. Let's see.
It looks elderly.
I told y'all, she said it looks elderly.
The other one looks slick. Yeah, not for me. This is cute for like going to the gym.
That's cute. Yeah.
I think it's just a cute little, you know, something. The workout outfit. But that's doing most. I don't really change off bags that much.
Yeah, we don't. And that's why I just need to make the best decision, because I don't want to choose anything just based off of like excitement and getting a bag.
We don't change out enough.
Yeah, we don't change out enough to get another.
It could be something that you're not happy with. It smells like oil. I mean, it is oil, but it shouldn't smell. It's rose hair and body oil.
Ew, that would go on the body, smelling like what? Cooking oil?
It smells like cooking oil, yeah. It smells like oil. They need the regular scent that they.
I want to try the mask.
The hair mask?
Yeah.
Why? I like the Adjoa hair mask.
I want to try the mask because this one right here. I want to try this one.
Thick hair.
Yeah.
I need this one, fine the medium, but I'm not using this because I don't need that. I like the Adjoa.
Adjoa?
Yeah, it's great.
Where's that at?
Sephora.
Okay.
Okay, so the workout is over. I did not want to do it today. Now, the last 2 weeks, I was kind of, well, the week before last, I was really not fooling with it. I didn't want to do it. I had to drag myself to every workout that I did. And I did them, but like I didn't do the full version, you know, like I didn't give all my effort. Last week, I didn't give all my effort because my back was starting to pull. Like I started having a muscle like from here, and then it started traveling down. And I think it was because I was doing some tricep, I think they're called tricep overheads. And then so now my back is a bit better. Still having a little bit of soreness in the lower part of my back, so I probably need to take it a little bit easy, but I was able to do my full mile the whole way through at a 4.0 speed, and I even went up to 4.1, which I'm very excited about because when I was doing my 15 minutes or under 15-minute miles before, I was just doing, like I was going down to 3.5 and going back up and, you know, things like that. I wasn't able to keep a steady, you know, 4.0. So I'm proud of myself for that. And I had a little bit of knee pain, so I was able to push through. I know you're probably not supposed to do that, but I was able to. So guys, I was just looking at, I'm doing some shopping on Target and getting us a few things, but we go to Target at home too. But I was looking at Printful at our back office too to see when our pieces would get here, because we have a photo shoot this week on Friday. And our pieces were supposed to be here on the 10th, and they're not here. And so I went to go look to see like what the holdup is. And I saw that the label was created on the 4th, and they didn't ship out until the 8th. So I don't know if that was because because sometimes the post office will hold packages before they scan them in. And then sometimes a company will try to, you know, fill up a crate so that they can have enough items to ship off. So I don't know what happened, but it's very frustrating to say the least. But yeah, so they should be here today. I'm hoping that they do get here today because we still have to try them on and, you know, make sure that everything's good with them. And then we have to schedule our appointments because, like, I don't know what it is, but this time is coming so fast that we have to schedule our nail appointments. And Keyondra gets her hair done, I think, on tomorrow evening. And so we have to, you know, we're trying to juggle that, you know, planning for that and getting ready for that and doing our vlogging and doing our content. Because, like, on Friday, we also have, like, a huge content day. But I've been editing some stuff for, like, because I'm doing another partnership with Temu. So I've been editing that. And then I have another partnership for an Amazon brand that I have to edit. So we have that. We have to get ready for the photo shoot. And we have to get our rest. And I know I told y'all earlier that I'm not getting in the bed late and all that, you know, all that stuff. And it's 1:48 right now. And I have one more thing that I need to do before I go to bed. I'm hoping that it doesn't take that long. I'm going to try to wrap up this Target order and then get to doing what it was. Because I was in the middle of doing it and I forgot to finish it. So that's where I am. So yeah, y'all pray for us because it's a busy week. And I have to do, now, it just dawned on me, I have to work out Wednesday instead of, you know, having my rest day on Wednesday. And I'll probably need to work out on Saturday because I don't want to have that many rest days, like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. They recommend that you don't have more than 2 rest days and like consecutive rest days. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, so it's a busy little week.
So guys, we are taking y'all with us again. We're just looking around. This is so cute. Look at this. I thought maybe is this a new display? Yeah, for the holidays, because I mean this is very fall inspired.
It was up here the other day, but
okay.
We were just walking. We were doing.
This is cute though. Yeah, this is really cute.
I'm getting some steps in an IKEA, and I saw this mirror, which is actually really cute. Oh, it's only
That is cute. Does it lean?
It's actually really cute.
Oh, oops, I'm talking to her, y'all.
It might be a leaning mirror as well, but it's hanging. That's nice.
Hey guys, so I am on my way inside. I am about to get my hair cut. I am excited about my haircut because I'm gonna get it shorter. Lord knows I want it shorter. I've been wanting it shorter for a little while, about to go up now and let Kelsey do my hair.